Hello everyone, Sanjana this side and I am a forever business owner. I welcome you all in today's new product video. In today's video, I am going to talk about a product of Forever Living Product International with which this company started and the best product of this company, that is Forever Aloe Vera Gel, which you can see on the screen. Content of this video is going to be, first we will talk about ingredients of aloe vera gel. After that I'll talk about why FLP aloe vera, seals and certifications of this product, then what are the health benefits of this product, how to use it and what are the precautions to be taken while using. I will tell you all these things in detail. So first of all, let's talk about its ingredients. It has 99.7% pure inner leaf aloe vera gel. There are more than 400 plus varieties of aloe vera all over the world, out of which number one variety is Aloe barbadensis Miller plant, and Forever Living uses this variety to make all the products. Okay, no preservatives are added in this product. It is totally vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly, gluten free, and it supports healthy digestion. And if I talk about its taste, so its taste is little sour. If I talk about ingredients in detail, it has 75 nutrients, 200 micronutrients, 12 vitamins, 18 amino acids, 22 minerals, 9 enzymes, 13 anthraquinones, and aloe vera has TNF, tumor necrosis factor, which helps in cancer too. Now question is why FLP aloe vera? See, Forever Living Products International is a multinational company which produces the most and best aloe vera in the world. This company uses number one variety of aloe vera, that is Aloe barbadensis Miller plant, for all the products, as I already told you. Now let me clear you why we should use Forever Living aloe vera. Forever makes aloe vera through a unique patented stabilization process. So it is a process, it is a method of preserving gel in its state as close as possible to original form. And this process is patented by this company. Forever takes proper 2 to 4 years to cultivate aloe vera. Aloe vera is free from pesticides, herbicides, artificial coloring and flavoring. It is totally natural stabilized gel. And this is the only organization which has both the earth and the sky to grow aloe vera. It cultivates aloe vera in a totally non-polluted environment. It produces world's best aloe vera. Okay. Now many persons have questioned that why this product is so expensive. Then I'm asking you a question. Why is the price of product high? You can also answer in the comments. Okay. So I'll tell you. It's because of quality, brand, or product is long lasting. Okay. Right? So Forever provides aloe vera gel in highest quality. It's a brand in aloe vera. That's why products are very expensive. Many people have another question like the price of this product is high in original site and less in some another sites. So first of all, you think for yourself that why are they giving you cheap? For example, if a phone has a cost of 1 lakh rupees and you know about it, and someone other can give you that phone at cost of 20,000 rupees, then won't you doubt? Surely you will doubt. Same here. They are selling illegally because company itself says and it is written on the official site that only company and forever business owners can share these products. No one other person can sell these products for any other site and any other purpose. If you are buying from another site and you have some side effects, then company is not responsible for it. It's totally your responsibility. Okay. After that, this product has also got some seals and certification which defines that this product is best. First seal is International Aloe Science Council seal of approval. This seal is given to the product of aloe vera only which have above 65% pure aloe vera gel and environment friendly. This seal is given after 300 to 400 quality test. If any company fails even in one test, then they cannot give test for next 4 years. And since this seal was started, Forever Living Products achieves this seal every year. Forever provides 100% pure inner leaf aloe vera gel. Next seal is cruelty free seal, means products are not tested on animals. Next, kosher rating seal. This seal defines the purity and quality of the product. Those products which have this seal are recognized and respected at the international level. Forever's aloe vera gel has this seal also. Next, ISO certified. It has got the certification of ISO for its standard of the products. Next, M Halal certification, which defines that there is no intoxicating or alcoholic substance is added in it. These all seals and certifications are given to the aloe vera gel of Forever Living. Okay. Now let's talk about its health benefits. The first benefit is cleansing and detoxification. You must be seeing the image on the screen. In first image of intestine, there are some black particles, means toxins and dirt. Like if we eat junk food, it remains stuck inside our stomach for many days, and you all know our environment is also polluted. Now what happens due to this? Toxins start coming inside our body. Dirt start accumulating, right? And our intestine start getting blocked. You must have also heard one thing. It is also written in Ayurveda that all the diseases occurs from our stomach. Now, how do they start from our stomach? When the toxins and dirt is stuck increased in any area or cell, then problems start. Our intestine is getting blocked and create a problem. Now, science says that aloe vera cleans our body and remove toxins and all the dirt from inside, keeps us healthy as we brush daily to keep our mouth fresh and clean, right? Same aloe vera is like a brush for our stomach. It removes all the dirt and toxins. As soon as the dirt is removed, the nutrients start getting absorbed. We all need to clean out our body to keep ourselves healthy because we come to know about many disease when it becomes bigger. Like you must have also heard that there was a person who slept after having a dinner at the night, but he didn't wake up in the morning because he had a heart attack. And but it's like it is not that the problem occurs the same day. But when the disease become bigger one and cells are blocked, then it shows the result. So you have to take care of your body when you are healthy also, and we have to clean out our body time to time. Some more benefits of this product are detoxification, as I already told you. It supports nutrient absorption, keep teeth and gums healthy. Next, it promotes a healthy immune system. Like many persons get sick very often because of low immunity. So this product is beneficial in this also. It helps maintain natural energy level. It keeps our heart very healthy and balance our BP. Supports healthy gut health plus reduce stomach problems like acidity and constipation. It reduces bad cholesterol from our body. It is also beneficial in sugar and cancer disease, like it eliminates cancer causing bacteria from our body, promotes proper blood circulation. Next benefit, it is beneficial in ulcer, reduce hair fall and makes them stronger, helps to heal wounds faster. It also helps in weight loss and weight gain. Problems of depression is increasing a lot these days. You all know about it. So this product helps to reduce depression also. Next, it promotes better mental health. It cleans our body and our skin and promotes beauty of skin, keeps toxins out of the body. It cleans your lungs due to which you get relief in asthma also. It is very effective in piles also. Next benefit, it is beneficial in arthritis, remove the swelling and the pain in the joints. It maintains sugar level and increases blood in our body, reduces laziness and fatigue. It also strengthens bones and muscles, keep our liver and kidney healthy. So these are the benefits of this product. Overall, this is an amazing product with so many health benefits. You can use it for yourself and also share with your family and friends. See, this is nutritional product which you have to use for longer time for proper results. Now let's talk about how to use aloe vera gel. I will tell you 7 steps. First, drink aloe vera gel in the morning on an empty stomach without even brushing your teeth. Quantity 30 to 40 ml. It has to be taken in glass tumbler only. If you pour it in a steel glass, then some of its properties get destroyed. So make sure that you are drinking it after pouring in the glass tumbler only. Okay. Do not drink aloe vera gel mixed with water even by mistake. After 15 to 20 minutes of drinking aloe vera gel, drink 1 to 2 glasses of lukewarm water. Eat food after 15 to 20 minutes of drinking water. For best results, drink half or 1 liter more water than you drink a day. You have to drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water daily. So use aloe vera gel in this manner properly. Now, what are the precautions of using aloe vera gel? First, don't drink directly from the bottle because bottle is made up of paperboard. If you drink directly from the bottle, then the area around the cap start deteriorate. Second, do refrigerate immediately after opening the bottle. Third, keep the bottle straight in the refrigerator. Do not keep it tilted. Fourth and the most important, do not recommend aloe vera gel to pregnant women because they do not need cleansing. Okay. So if you really like the information about aloe vera gel, then you can share this video to your teammates, friends and family. And you can subscribe to this channel for more products information and other information related to FLP. If you use this product before, you can share your experience in the comment section also. See you all in next video. Bye bye. Take care.